It's time for wiggle worms, time for wiggle worms. Yeah, it's time to get those jiggles out, time to laugh those giggles out. With today's new book, it's Wiggle Worms.
Hello everybody, and welcome to Wiggle Worms. My name is Franny, and today I've got a really cool book to share with you. It's called Little Penguin Gets the Hiccups by Tadgh Bentley. Now, I love penguins, and I'm pretty sure that a penguin with hiccups sounds adorable. All right, before we start reading, we are going to do our clapping song. Are you ready? Clap, clap, clap your hands together. Clap, clap, clap your hands together. Clap them up high, right to the sky. Clap them down low, right to your toes. Clap, clap, clap your hands together. Clap them very softly and clap them very loudly. Clap them very slowly and clap them very quickly. Clap, clap, clap your hands together. Clap, clap, clap your hands together. That was some awesome clapping. Little Penguin Gets the Hiccups by Tadgh Bentley. Oh, hello. It's so nice to meet you. Franklin said you would be here soon. I wonder if you might be able to help. You may have noticed that I've got a terrible case of the hiccups. It's driving me cuckoo. It all started last week on chili night. I'm not sure how many penguins you know, but let me give you some advice. Never give chili to a penguin. It gives us hiccups. I can't get rid of them. Frederick told me to stand on my head. Chester told me to drink backward from a cup. Albert told me to stand on my head while drinking backward from a cup. Nothing works. But Franklin has given me a new idea, and I need your help. Apparently, giving someone a good scare is the surest, bestest way to cure hiccups. So, I need you to scare me. But I don't really like being scared, so be nice. You're going to say boo on 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Boo! Is that it? Let's try again. Louder this time. 1, 2, 3. Boo! Pretty scary. Maybe that cured my Will I have the hiccups forever? One more time. Shout! Go crazy. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Roar! Franklin, what on earth are you doing? You told me to stand here and wait for a good scare, and then you go and jump out on me, so now my feathers are all wet, and my mom will go bonkers because she just washed these the other day. Now I'll have to wait until I'm ready to be scared again. Hey, hold on a second. My hiccups! They're gone! Oh, thank you ever so much. Let's celebrate with a nice spicy taco. Uh-oh. The end. Those penguins sure were cute with their little hiccups. I'm glad it ended well for them. All right, before we say goodbye, we have time for one last song. So let's put our hands up. You ready? Open them, shut them, open them, shut them, give a little clap, clap, clap. Open them, shut them, put them in your lap, lap, lap. Wave them, wave them, wave them, wave them, high up in the sky, sky, sky. Wave to me, I'll wave to you. Let's all say bye-bye. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you soon.
It's time for wiggle worms, time for wiggle worms. Yeah, it's time to get those jiggles out. Time to laugh those giggles out. With today's new book, it's Wiggle Worms.
Thanks for watching the Wiggle Worms. If you like what you see, click on subscribe and you can see more story times just like this. If you want to visit us in person, stop by the Bookworm of Edwards in the Vail Valley of Colorado, and you can pick up any of the stories you see on our channel. We also do a story time at 9:15 every Monday morning, and I'd love to see your smiling faces. If you don't happen to be in Colorado, you can still visit us online at BookwormOfEdwards.com, and we'll ship any of these books right to your door. Have a great day!